Hi everyone, so today we have a CarPlay and the name of the product is IIWAY. I hope I pronounced perfectly. And this is going to be a 10-inch screen, so we can look at the box. We see the picture in the front. Here in the back they said what exactly we have inside the box. This is going to be a CarPlay, Android, AirPlay, Miracast, cam recorder, and Wi-Fi video. So let's look inside the box to exactly what we have. Oh, user manual. Another one. Important, you need to install a SD card before to plug it in. Okay, in the back we have a camcorder. You can adjust the height if you want. The power is on top. All the plug it in for the power and everything is on the side. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they already have a SD card, 64 gig memory already inside. Here you have a dash for the dash, a dash mount. Here we have this, another one. This unit is really easy. It's plug and play. This is the charger for your car and play. Okay, so now we are sitting inside a car. So we're going to put it on accessory. And we're going to take it out, the plastic warning. Et voila. Wow, nice. So here he said, do you want to format? Yes. And format is formatting. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Let me show you what exactly we have for entrepreneur, target. Me, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is a split if you want it all for you, everything, and voila, now you have everything now. And voila, so it's not bad. You can see the clarity of the picture is very clear, you know. So exit. Okay, let me show you the cam recorder for the front of the car is recording. Et voila, we have Wi-Fi video, media player, music. I don't have any music on my car. That's going to be the date, Saturday the 28th of February. This guy here is already plug and play on my cell phone. So everything is connect all together now. Don't worry, I did that before get inside my car. Okay, I hope you like this video about that car and play. And don't forget to go see. Wait. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to like, and don't forget to go see, we have more video to, if you want to go see interesting thing. Okay, see you later.